Ooh, it looks hella blue on here. Oh my god.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, it's gonna be another hair tutorial slash mess slash I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it. My sister wanted to dye her hair blue, so that's what we did. This is my sister. What do you want to call yourself?
I don't know. Like everything on like my social media and stuff is like Ezzy.
Okay, Ezzy. That's what she likes to be called. Dude, I dyed my hair every color that you
yeah.
I've dyed it this color before. I've dyed it teal. I've dyed it purple. I've dyed it red, pink. Yeah. I just don't care. To me, hair is hair. Have fun with it. So this is how it came out. I like it. I think it looks really good. My mother does not like it, but whatever.
She was.
This is how it came out. If you guys want to see how we got this, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what her hair looks like before we started dyeing it. As you guys can see, she has highlights, and it's a lot of highlights, so there are a lot of blonde and kind of whitish areas, but her roots are pretty dark. So we do want to see how the dye will do in the dark hair. It's supposed to be for dark hair, so but this is the color that we used. It's Midnight Indigo from the brand Splat, and we got this at Target, but you can get it at Walmart or Sally's or anything like that. The bottle comes just like this. You don't have to actually pour anything in there. You just mix it and it's ready to apply, and it comes with the gloves as well. So I had never used this kind of dye before. I just assumed it was using it like any hair dye. So I just applied it that way, and yeah, I don't think that was the best way to do it because it stained the scalp so bad. And I mean, even if you're careful with it, it's still gonna dye the scalp. But I would say just try to avoid the forehead or like any skin around the face, or just wear like Vaseline or something to avoid the staining, because like I said, I didn't think it was not gonna come off. So when I applied it, I wasn't careful with it. I kind of just let it go everywhere, and then that did not come off at all. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Just apply something on your skin or try to wipe it off as soon as possible, or even apply it with like a brush or something to be more precise with it. But yeah. Also, if you're gonna do the eyebrows kind of like how I did hers, I would say put dye on a Q-tip. Don't use the whole glove because it's gonna stain really bad. So if you want to do them, just use a Q-tip to really like precisely do it. So in the box it says to make sure you put something on your skin because it stains, and it does stain. Like it won't come off with anything. So we're gonna try alcohol, and I was wearing gloves, so like it's like very slowly coming off. Let me see your eyebrows.
No, because you fucked it up. It looks...
Okay, you can wash it now.
It's just the scalp.
Okay.
Like my hands are faded already pretty much.
Right here in the roots, like the roots stained so bad, and we were able to get the face, but it took forever. And then our hands are blue. Would you recommend this dye?
Like, it was good because the color came out nice, but the mess it made, I feel like there could be a less messy dye.
Yeah, like the color looks really good, but the mess that it made was really bad. It's really blue in the light.
It looks really, but yeah, like the root, like, at least here I do. You see how
you wanna hold it? You just wanna hold it? Okay, so like my hands are super blue. And this is not from after I dyed it. This is like from straightening her hair.
My neck's also kind of blue. But...
yeah, this is just like, so like I had cleaned them up and they were fine. And then when I started straightening her hair, it like got blue again. And so it's like super messy. And I was looking at the tutorials, and none of the tutorials show like all the mess that it made. Like the shower, we put bleach twice and then she scrubbed it and it still wouldn't come off. It's still blue, and then like her body's like blue,
especially like my brows are blue.
Well, we
but you can't really see like, but like the skin.
Yeah, we wanted her eyebrows to be blue, but it was like just like the skin. Yeah, I think that the dye color, the color is good, but it's so messy. Like, it's gonna stain your restroom, it's gonna stain everything. Do not wear white if you're gonna wear this color, because it will just stain.
My feet are blue.
Oh yeah, her feet are super blue. But yeah, I would say the mess is really bad. I think next time we're gonna try to go to like Sally's and try to like find a color that's similar to this, but without the mess. But yeah, I really like the color. As you guys see, like the blue, the bright blue is where like the bleach was. But even like the dark parts where like it didn't have bleach, it doesn't look bad. It looks good.
It looks like a darker,
yeah,
blue. Yeah.
If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Oh, let us know in the comments down below what color you would like to see next. Like pink, blue. I mean, well, this is blue, but pink, teal, purple, whatever. My mother's not happy about this. She didn't want me to dye her hair, which is why she called me, because she knew I would do it. So,
because you were the rebellious child growing up, so
I don't feel like I was, but I do what I want. But yeah, I will see you guys on the next one.
okay.